my beautiful people, how na dey today? I hope na dey fine. Everywhere sweet for una side. And welcome back to another interesting and beautiful video. If you are new here, guys, my name is Jennifer Okike. May you consider to subscribe to this channel to support your lady. Also turn on your notification so that anytime new video just dey drop, you go be the first person to know say video don't drop for this channel, so that you will still watch the video. And when you watch, you try to drop your own comment. We will see your reaction for any topic we will drop for here. Okay, people, today I want to talk about a very important topic, and that topic now waiting does happen to me long time ago. And I want to talk about, I just sit down today, I just reason, I just say, yeah, this thing I need to bring a comment here, because I know a lot of women don't suffer from this particular thing. This thing about women, they mock their fellow women, say they use CS, they born the king. I hope you know what's in the CS, where they to cut and bring the picking come out, now what's in me. You understand, people? So where I want to talk about today, first of all, I want to tell you a story, how it happened to me. Long time ago, I born Peking, you understand? That is about 11 years ago. I born Peking, and that Peking, I born out with cuts. I see I born that Peking because I don't even know how it happened. I get belly, never a severe headache. I say I go see my doctor. So reaching there, they say my BP high. I don't know why. Maybe because of some, I want to call them some things when I pass through then. Maybe na cause her. And they explained to me another. Before you know it, they said they go give me some injection to take control the BP, because they say it's no good for me and the unborn child. And so they give me injection. Then I just slept off. I went there on Thursday evening and I woke up on Sunday afternoon. That is the only thing I could remember. Another thing I remember, that was as in I passed through pain then, because I even know when they tear the place. The drugs where they give me never work well. Just see the work. I know when they tear. You understand? When they talk a person pass through pain born, this one, I know when they tear around. I was just saying, oh, my mommy. The doctor say, you should be calling your Jesus, not your mommy. I think it was my early 20s, very early 20s. You understand? That is when this thing happened to me. Went there on Thursday evening, and I woke up on Sunday. So you see, say this one not be ordinary, no natural. This one not be say doctor detect and say you go born and say you take born. Everywhere they okay from the one of the pregnancy reach that day we say I get severe headache. Just for me to carry, I said I don't just need to take any hard drugs. I'm going to my doctor. I said go. Now my doctor just say he won't give me injection to control the BP. That's all. The thing come worst. And assuming they no cut and bring that pikin come out, maybe another thing they for them. I for not even they hear they talk with they talk today. You understand? But they saved my life. But I don't know that the fault might be from them because of the drugs. Because at a point, at the story, they tell me, they say, at the end, I can't they converse. In fact, they don't even lose hope. They just try. And as God may have it, I survived it. So you see my own story, how I take born with cuts. Why they cut me, they born that thing. Now, I dey Europe now. And for the past how many years now, I don't get freakies. And this freakies are natural. I never had it cut again. You understand? Why they bring this topic? A lot of women in your office say once you don't start, they use cut, they burn. And so you go just they burn, they go. No, not be true. You know me, because I be victim. I born with cut, and the other 3 pieces are not natural. You understand? So that is it. Because some women they just believe say you born with a CS, me say, and so you already born on a bad thing. CS not be bad thing at all. In fact, a very good thing. Because the white people, they don't even like too much labor, to go through labor, they born. You understand? And they talk about this thing because a lot of people lack vital knowledge. As in, some people are just, they know what they're supposed to know, they know. Now the one we know is supposed to know. If not to carry phone, hey, for live video now, they do yaga yaga, they believe say they're wise. Things they are supposed to know, they don't know one. I want to let you know today, say, for you to born pikin with operation no be bad thing. It's better for you to born that like that. Save your life and the life of your child than for you to say you won't born like the Hebrew women. It's good though, I saw a Bible talker. Doctor tell you, say the right way for you to born your child and be safe. Grab it. Go straight there. Have your child with joy. You understand? Come home and rejoice. And keep it to yourself. If you choose to tell anybody, fine. But don't tell it to people that lack knowledge. Because what people they first know for your life, you don't born. Wait till you born. That is our where I come from, our people. Wait till she born. After that one, I take born her. If you did that possible, they go ask you, I take born her. You born her normal, you born her with operation. What nonsense? It's a high time we begin to learn, people. It's a high time we begin to improve our knowledge. Let's develop our knowledge. Imagine you in an advanced country for years. We are still lacking. In an advanced country, you see they behave like a child. In an advanced country, you don't even try to improve yourself. Are you getting me? Those things you take to be very serious, they are nothing. They're just normal thing. And if you've ever born with operation, any woman mock you. Because I was mocked. 11 years ago, my neighbor, we had this little misunderstanding. She mocked me because she did there all through during this, when the whole thing happened to me. She helped me out. She know how everything happened. Because I'm a kind of person, I'm very good in keeping my things to myself. I'm very good, except people just find out by all means. But when it comes to church or anything that happened to me, I get blessed today, I gotta tell you, I don't do those shit. Like, I believe there are things you don't even need to hide. You don't need to tell people. Things like pregnancy. You don't need to tell people that you're just taking. You don't need to tell people that you are pregnant. Let us see it. You can never cover pregnancy. Once it comes out, people will see it. You understand? That's the kind of life I live. I keep my things to myself. When you see it, fine. It's better than narrating myself anyhow. I don't do that shit. So this woman mocked me when we had misunderstanding. I was very young then. If not today she mocked me, I for tell her the story of her life. You understand me? I for sit down, put two legs for ground where I will tell her the story of her life. But it's so unfortunate that I was so tender. Instead, I go sit down and cry. Because she tell me say I never born. After all these pains I went through, my fellow woman tell me say I never born. Say that one where they cut me, carry pikin come and me say I born. He say I never born. Say I no be mother. I carry pikin oh. You take care of pikin. I back my pikin. They tell me say I knowledge. They mock a young girl like that at that age then. It's my early 20s. I just early 20s. You understand? She mocked me. Say I never born. After all the pain I went through. And I believe her. Do you know I believed her? I believe her. I go dey cry. So person wey born with operation means say never born pikin. You don't know the pain of labor, blah blah blah. So why I did make this story long? I want to let you know say this na things wey don't happen to me. So I don't want to make you affect you again today. Don't let that weigh you down at all. If you've gone through CS, it is fine. You are a mother. Now normal thing. In fact, if they say may I choose today safe. If not, you know, go just go tell doctor say cut me. You know, as Africans we are, it's not too nice. I for tell you say after passing through labor, I for just say doctor abeg cut me, carry am come out. Because the pain of labor no be wetin person dey use mouth talk, and the pain of CS again after you don born am. The pain too no be wetin person suppose to use laugh in fellow woman. When they tell your fellow woman say yeah, that one wey is operation born, you never born. You can't go there inside, go dey think. Dey think of your life. Why you not sit down, may you tell the person the story of your life? You know that I don't say you with your operation born, your body now oka. Your body now oka when it comes to that side. Inside there, everywhere, it dey well. You no tell am that one. You wan use himself wey don pushu that place don jaga, they don stitchy, e don maga. You wan use himself compare you. If you don't know what to tell them, go and sit down and think and come back another day. If you don't know what you want to do the person, find trouble with one thing. May you sit down, may you tell them the story of your life. You understand? Don't let anybody intimidate you again because of minor thing wey no be anything. And if you anyhow you take born your pikin, from this moment, anyhow you take born your pikin, they keep am to yourself. No dey tell anybody again. Have some secret. When your pikin can enter and say, "Don't born, yes, I don't born." Don't tell anybody, not even your brothers and your, because anything you want to be secret, don't let two ear hear am. Once two ear don't hear, you don't finish. So guys, this video don't dey long too much, but I think you really enjoyed this video. I think it makes sense. So now wetin I get to tell you today, no dey let anybody intimidate you. You born through operation, you born through a labor, all na child bearing. You don't born. It is normal, not the same. Not the same it be. No let anybody mock you. Person mock you, tell am say him body don yanga, him body don na sagging body you get. Your body still dey kampe. How you go dey mock your fellow woman? And you stop am. Grow. For you to say you no want born, you call your day there before you know it's not. You lose your life and your child. Is it not better for you to just do it and have your child? Have 2 or 3 kids, fine. You want born the whole world. If you born 2 kids, God never bless you rich. Born 3, you never dey okay. Why are you panicking? Why are you bothering? Why are you complaining? Why are you thinking about things that doesn't matter? So guys, now I get to tell you that today, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. Let this video go viral so that people will get to know my page and my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now.